Welcome back. Now, when you set up a level, that will be the way that Wishlist member communicates with your individual product or membership. And you can start that process by going to the Setup menu. When you get to the Setup menu, you're going to notice that you have an area where you can create membership levels. And you're going to see that you can start the process here. So what we're going to do is we're going to write in the level name. What we're going to do then is we're then going to click Apply. What we're now going to do is we're going to set up expiration options for this particular product or level inside of Wishlist Member. And so if you click this drop-down menu, what you can do is you can determine how the access is going to be given. And if you're going to do a one-time payment for access forever, you're going to leave this link at ongoing. Now you're going to notice that you can dictate that the individual that will have access to this membership or product will have access to all of the posts in this website. And you can indicate that by ticking this box, all the pages, or all the comments and categories. Now again, in most cases, you're not going to do this if you're going to have more than one product on one WordPress website. So we're going to leave this unticked. What we're now going to do is we're going to go to the Registrations tab. Now for registrations, you can indicate that you want both new and existing members to have access to registration privileges. You can set this at new, or you can set this at existing. We are going to leave this at new and existing members. Now when you get to this tab, much of what you're going to do depends on how you're going to have the user registered. If you're going to have their registration created automatically upon payment, then many of these options are not going to be valid. But you are going to want to go through these choices in different ways every time you create a membership. For example, you might want to create a custom registration form instead of the default registration form that Wishlist Member gives you. In some cases where you have an individual that will be paying regularly and then have the ability to stop their payment, you may want to grant them continued access to the content that they've already paid for. You can do that and indicate that here. You can prevent a member from editing their pre-filled in information. And if an individual cancels their membership and then they re-sign up, you can allow them to uncancel their first membership and basically have their same level of access using their ID. Now you'll notice that all of these are unticked by default. But what we're going to do right now is stop the video and we're going to pick it up from the level creation process using the Requirements tab, Additional Settings, and Email Notifications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.